Hello, welcome again. We are studying the subject compressible fluid flow for civil services main IFS and GATE aerospace exam. And we started the chapter one dimensional quasi static flow. So in this chapter, we in the last video we covered area and velocity relationship. Now the next topic is your isentropic subsonic supersonic flow of a perfect gas to nozzle, or this topic can also be named as area Mach number relationship for isentropic flow through nozzle. Okay. Now suppose we have a convergent divergent duct, and this is the throat section, and its area at the throat section is represented by A star, because here Mach number 1 exists, so, or we can say M star here is 1, and U star is equal to A star because M is 1. So critical properties exist here, that's why this section is named as is represented by asterisks. So area is A star, Mach number is M star, velocity is U star, sonic velocity is A star, both are equal. And at some other section, suppose area is A, Mach number is M, and velocity is U. Okay. So uh, now the continuity equation has to be satisfied. So it means rho star U star A star is mass flow rate to this section, and rho U A is mass flow rate to any other section. So these should be equal. Okay. And now here U star is equal to A star because M is 1. Okay. Or characteristic uh, Mach number exists here, M star is 1. And uh, now from this one we can write A by A star is equal to rho star by rho into A star by U. We can divide it, divided multiplied by rho naught and rho naught. Okay. So it becomes rho star by rho naught by rho, and A star by U. So this is corresponding to Mach number 1, and this is your stagnation density. This is corresponding to Mach number M, and this is your stagnation density. And this is characteristic Mach number. U by A star is M star. Okay. U star by A star is your M star, that is equal to 1. But U by A star is your M star at this section. And or we can say here M star is 1, and here M star is M star, and M is your M. M is defined as U by A, M star is defined as U by A star. So here M star exists, that is U by A star, M exists, okay, that is, and these are not equal to 1. And here N star exists, that is equal to 1, M exists, that is equal to 1, and U star is equal to A star. Okay, so this is the difference. So now rho naught is your stagnation density, and rho naught by rho from isentropic relation, because isentropic process is taking place, is equal to T naught by T raised power 1 by gamma minus 1, and T naught by T is your 1 plus gamma minus 1 by 2 M square. Okay. So rho naught by rho will be your 1 plus gamma minus 1 by 2 M square 1 by gamma minus 1. So now we can use this here. Okay. If M is 1 here, if M is 1 here, then this rho will be your rho star. Then rho naught by rho star will be equal to, putting M is equal to 1, then it will be equal to gamma plus 1 by 2, 1 by rho minus 1. Because rho by rho star is, sorry, rho naught by rho is this quantity. You put M is equal to 1, then it will be rho naught by rho naught star, and this will be equal to this. So this is equation number 4. Now we need this U by A star also, and U by A star is your M star, and M star squared by definition we have derived the formula in case of energy equations, that is M star square is equal to gamma plus 1 by 2 m square divided by 1 plus gamma minus 1 by 2 m square. Okay. So now we have this relationship between A and A star. You can put rho star by rho naught, you can put rho naught by rho, you can put U by A star. Okay. So after putting and squaring, because this is in terms of square, so we'll square all these and we'll put the value of U by A star, that is this function. And rho naught by rho is in the previous page, that is this quantity. We'll scale it also, and rho star by rho naught is inverse of it, so we'll scale it also. Okay. So it will be 2 gamma plus 1, 2 by gamma plus 1 raised power square for this 2 gamma minus 1. Okay. And this is rho naught by rho, and this is your U by A star square inverse. Okay. Or we can say A star by U square. Okay. So after putting this value, we'll get area ratio in terms of Mach number, and solving it further in terms of Mach number. So this is called area Mach number relation. Okay. So here, repeating this again, here I am reading it out. Consider the duct shown in figure at the throat. The flow is sonic. Here the flow is sonic. Hence denoting conditions at sonic speed by asterisk. We have at throat m star is equal to 1 and u star is equal to a star. The area of the throat is a star. At any other section the duct, the local area, the Mach number and velocity are a, m and u respectively. From continuity equation, between two locations, rho star, u star, a star is equal to rho u a, and u star is equal to a star. So a by a star is rho star by rho, a star by u into a star by u, and dividing it and multiplying by rho naught. So it will be rho star by rho naught into rho naught by rho and a star by u. Okay. And rho naught is your stabilization density. So using isentropic relation, rho naught by rho is your 1 plus gamma minus 1 by 2 m square raised power 1 by gamma minus 1, and rho naught by rho star is gamma plus 1 by 2 raised power 1 by gamma minus 1, and u by a star is your a star whole square is m star square is equal to gamma plus 1 by 2 m square divided by 1 plus gamma minus 1 by 2 m square. Putting these values here, we can get relationship between a and a star in terms of Mach number. So now these values are tabulated, and the table is isentropic table. So this is the first line, and m is 0 here, so it means a by a star is your infinity. If m is 0.05, then a by a infinity, a star is your 11.592, and if it is 0.15, then it is 3.910. Same way, for each Mach number there is some value of a by a star, or we can say for here for Mach number 1, the a by a star value is 1, and we can see that here for Mach number 1.1 the value is 1.008, and for Mach number 0.95 the value is 1.008. So in between in between here there will be some value corresponding to area ratio 1.002 for the Mach number. So there are two values of Mach number for each area ratio. So that we will discuss in the next video. So but these values are tabulated. Okay. So two values are of Mach number for each area ratio. One is subsonic and other is supersonic.